Home remedies of cough for children, especially whooping cough. Constant cough can make a child uncomfortable and irritable. Here are some home remedies. Take some water. Boil them for 5 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and filter this mixture into a cup. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger juice and 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture and mix well. Give this mixture to the child in 4 equal doses throughout the day. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.